Hello everybody, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today I want to show you how to make a classic French dish, rillettes, but made with salmon rather than pork or duck. With salmon rillettes, I combine a classic French recipe with my Pacific Northwest roots, incorporating sautéed salmon and butter and smoked salmon. It's perfect to serve with guests, spread on toasted baguettes or crackers. So on that note, let's go ahead and get started.
The first step is to prepare all your ingredients, measure out what you'll use, chop whatever needs to be chopped, and assemble your mise en place. The shallots only need to be sautéed for a minute as they'll continue cooking with the salmon. Because the salmon was cubed, it'll cook quickly. Use a fork to flake the salmon into a coarse mixture and add the smoked salmon. You can use either cold or hot smoked salmon. Be sure to press the salmon firmly down into the jar. Finally, cover it with melted ghee or clarified butter. This acts to form a seal, keeping it fresh for up to a week in the fridge. And when you're ready to serve, let it come to room temperature for about an hour first, and serve with toasted baguette or crackers.
If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.